tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still to captivate me by your resonating light. Now I'm bound by the life you left behind. Your face, it haunts my once pleasant dreams. Your voice, it chased away all the sanity in me. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears.
Mis juhtus? Midagi. Tead, kui ma olin 15, ma ka ei tahtnud suhelda täiskasvanutega. Ma kartsin, ma arvasin, et minu probleemid on liiga rumalad nende jaoks, et neid see ei huvita. Ja mis siis? Ma tean, et sul juhtus üks väga suur kaotus.
Ma ei tea, millest alustada.
Alusta algusest.
No, me mängisime ja...
How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I become so numb? You feel my soul, my spirit sleeping somewhere cold, until you find me there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from
Kas sa arvad, et sina oled süüdi?
Jaa, kindlasti mina olen süüdi.
No see ei ole nii. Tead, aga tihti elus just tulevad sellised asjad, mida me ei saa muuta. Aeg ravib. Sa ei saanud seda ennetada. See oli tema rumal mõte. Sa tegid kõike, mis oli võimalik teha. Ja sa tead seda. See võiks juhtuda mitte sinuga. Ja mis iganes millal. Ja ma arvan, et ta ei tahaks, et sa muretseks.
Ma ei ole sellest mõelnud. Ma ei tea, kuidas alustada teistega suhelda.
Tead, meil on varsti üks üritus. Äkki sa proovid seda meiega teha?
No, ma proovin.
It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever.
praegu meie elu on muutunud. minu lapseke on väga õnnelik äri.